During the past 2 to 3 years, so many people have been following my YouTube channel and they have been asking a lot of questions. And I have been creating a lot of videos, answering a lot of questions. But still, questions are keep coming again and again and again. Among these questions, there was a request from few hundred people. I need to say a amount of people near to 1,000. A lot of people asked me to create a course content so that they can enroll and they can enjoy all the learnings starting from A to Z. But still, I have been postponing this for the last 2 to 3 years. And finally, I came up with a course called the Pro Networker. Pro Networker. And in this course, I came up with these contents. Firstly, the introduction, lesson 1, 6 stages in the business. And then lesson 2, mindset, knowledge, and activities. Lesson 3, the journey, the reality you are going to face, the challenges you are going to face. And then lesson 4, history of the industry. Lesson 5, credibility of the industry. Lesson 6, the 3 keys of success, passive income, leverage, and compounding in detail. And then future of the industry. What is going to happen to this industry after 100 years, 1,000 years, maybe 10,000 years, right? And then lesson 8, understanding your why. And we are going to create a bucket list and find out the things you want to achieve before you die. And lesson 9, short-term goals and dreams. They're going to be a dream session on that. And lesson 10, commitment and reading books. And lesson 11, contact list. And we are going to help you to find out much more contacts with a memory jogger. Lesson 12, filtering out those contacts. How are you going to filter those contacts and identify the most suitable people to present this business, right? And then lesson 13, understanding prospecting. Lesson 14, initiation of a conversation. How are you going to start a conversation with a prospect? What are the available ways utilizing e-commerce? How you can actually connect with a person, right? Lesson 15, holding an interesting conversation. How are you going to have a long, interesting conversation before you are going to invite the prospect? Lesson 16, magnet calling. It is kind of a call to give information to the prospect, which is going to create a good image on prospect's mind about this business, about us, right? And lesson 17, qualifying. Lesson 18, inviting a prospect. What are the things to do and what are the things you should not do during an invitation? Lesson 19, presentation, showing the plan. Lesson 20 is going to be a long session, objection handling and clearing, part 1. Lesson 21, objection handling and clearing, part 2. Lesson 22, closing the sale. How are you going to close the prospect? Lesson 23, do's and don'ts in our business. There are a lot of ethics to follow, right? So what are things you can do? What are things you cannot do? How are you going to comply with all the policies and procedures without violating any? Lesson 24, retention of your team. How are you going to retain your people? How are you going to ensure that the people who are signing up are going to stay with you for years after years, building this business together with you? Lesson 25, the responsibilities as an upline. What are your responsibilities, right? Lesson 26, duplication. 27, counsel and upline. 28, follow the system. 29, short-term goals and weekly targets. How are you going to plan your week after week, right? And lesson 30, the final lesson, how are you going to create an action plan and do activities and ensure that you are going to gain good results, right? So these are the topics which I'm covering during this course. So this course is going to take 1 month. You have to spend at least 1 to 2 hours per day for 1 month in order to complete this entire course, right? And the times are going to be flexible. You can choose the time you are going to spend on this course. And then the $1 million question, how much is the course, right? And as I informed in the previous video, first 10 participants will get it for free, only for first 10 participants, right? And then $100 for the next 100 participants. And finally, for rest of the participants, the course is going to be $499. So now I have kept some of the coupons, right? Promo codes. If you utilize these promo codes, you will get this cost, right? Either free or $100, right? So before I give you the promo codes, I know now most of you are watching this video in a hurry to grab this first 10 participants free course. And I also know those who are going to miss it, also going to fight for that next 100 seats, right? So let me share the screen and give you a guidance on how to enroll. So guys, here is the landing page of the course. And the link of the course is in the description below. But please wait and listen first. Why? Because end of the course only I'm going to provide the promo codes, right? First, what you need to do, you can see the landing page. You need to press on this enroll button. So once you press on the enroll button, they'll ask you to put an email address. You can put any email address, okay? So I'm going to put one of my email address. And then I'm going to press next. And then they're asking me my name. I will put my name, Nuan. And then I'm going to set up a password. Okay, done. So complete sign up. So I've completed the sign up. That means I have completed registered into this CourseCraft platform. Now you can see the course, $499.99 US, right? So I have to apply the code, right? I'm going to give the code later, right? So after applying the code, the price will go down, right? So however, after applying the code, you need to press on this button, pay with PayPal. Okay. But for first 10 people, you get the price free. So you don't need to make any payment, right? So under PayPal, there are two choices. Choice number one, login with PayPal and pay with PayPal, or is you can utilize a credit card to make the payment, right? So payment option one, pay with PayPal. Payment option two, pay with a credit or a debit card. You can input all your card information and you can make the payment, right? Agree and continue. That's it. So once you make the payment, the course will be unlocking for you. Right, guys? So that is how to enroll in this CourseCraft platform and start doing the course, right? And now coming to the last point, the $100 coupon is nothing but Pro80. If you add the code Pro80, the course price will reduce from $499 to $100, right? And if you add the code Pro00, you will get the course for free, but that is only for the first 10 participants. It's $100 for only for the first 100 participants, right, guys? So I know now you are in a rush. You want to utilize the seat. Go ahead and good luck. And if you have any questions about this enrollment and payments and all these things, make sure you're going to make a comment in the comment section below, right? See you guys. Take care.